What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and this is the official tutorial for the Pro Tools stock Telephone Effects expansion pack. So this expansion pack could be connected to any preset that we have, from the Clear Vocal series to our Essential series, or any presets that you guys have at home. You guys could just add it on, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that today.
Combat, this is a banger, huh?
Okay, so when you first download the pack, you guys are going to get this folder right here. It says the Telephone Effects expansion pack, Pro Tools stock plugins. That's how you know you got the right pack. We have a readme right here, as well as the telephone expansion pack. This has a session right here that you guys are going to add on to any Pro Tools session you guys have, whether it's one of the Clear Vocal presets that we have, or one of our essential packs or presets, or just one of your own sessions that you guys have at home. Now, this telephone expansion pack comes with 5 different presets. It comes with 2 main vocal presets for telephone effects, whether it's a rap vocal or singing vocal, as well as 3 other ad-lib type telephone effects, from aggressive, more like distorted type of ad-libs, from spacey reverb ad-libs, as well as a clean, just a super clean telephone effect ad-lib. And then the way we add this in is I'm going to first open up a session. So I have one right over here. Let me open it up for you guys. So we have our session open right here. For this example, we're actually using one of our Clear Vocal preset series. We're using the Male Rap Warm. As you guys can see, we have the full template open right here. We already have our beat logged in. We have our acapella, and we have our ad-lib. This is a John Mac track. I'm just going to play this out.
The type to put paint where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to import the session. Now, in order to do this, you guys are either going to hold Option Shift I to get this screen right here. It should say choose a file to import session data from, or you guys could go right here to File, Import, then Session Data. You guys click that right there. You guys are then going to want to go to the folder where you guys have the expansion pack. I'm going to go over here to the Pro Tools stock plugins right here. We're going to double click that. We're going to highlight all of this right here, and it should say new track all over here on the right. Then we're going to hit OK. As you guys see, we have all our telephone effects just logged in right here. If you guys are using one of our Clear Vocal packs or essential packs, you guys are going to see the output is already going to the Verse Vox sub. So it's already going to one of these subs right here. If it's not, or you guys are using some type of different preset, like one of your own or your own sessions, you guys could just change this to the bus sub that you guys want it to go to. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the 5 different presets that we have. So we have the main vocal telephone effects singing. We have the main vocal telephone effects rap. We have ad-lib rap super verb. We have ad-lib rap distorted, and then we have ad-lib rap clean. So let's just hear all the different ones, and then we're gonna start with just the ad-libs. So I'm gonna play this out.
I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a...
So that's the ad-lib track we have in the Clear Vocal preset right here. Now I'm gonna drag this down to the super verb. Now I'm gonna play it out.
Where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't ever stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with killers.
So as you guys hear, it's super reverbed out, the super spacey, it just gives it that like very long reverb delay. Now we're gonna drag this down to the distorted one now. Let's hear that out.
Put paint where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't ever stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with...
So as you guys can hear with that one, it's just more distorted. There's more grain to the vocal, to that signal. There's more just texture to the signal. It's really good for like more aggressive type of ad-libs. Now we're gonna go to the clean and hear those.
Paint where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't ever stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with killers. Send them niggas up my way. I got some young niggas that...
So that one's pretty good too. So that one has a little bit more delay to it, but a lot less reverb, and it's just clean. You guys could just hear where it starts and where it ends, and that's it. There's no extra tail to it or anything. Now I'm gonna bring this back to the verse ad-lib, and now I'm gonna bring our main vocal to the singing telephone effect, just so you guys can hear what that sounds like.
I ain't never been the type to put paint where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't ever stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes.
Dope. And I'm gonna show you guys the rap version of that.
I ain't never been the type to put paint where it ain't. Where it ain't like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You would never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say I'm not been a man is to admit.
You guys might be wondering, hey, like, why do we need those main vocal telephone effects? You know, maybe it doesn't make sense to you. Well, for certain songs or artists, there's certain like parts of the songs that maybe you want a little telephone effect. You have a little bridge, you have a little breakdown or something. Maybe for the singing one, you have a little breakdown for the singer. Want to just add some nice, like, smooth, like, telephone effect for the singing. Or maybe we got a rap part, we want to really like highlight a punchline or something, and I'll show you guys how to do that.
Catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say I'm part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes.
So a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes. So in that part, we're going to bring it down to the main vocal telephone effects for rap vocals. And then we're going to play this out again from right here.
What the fuck do niggas think? You would never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say I'm not a been a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with killers. Send them niggas up my way.
You see what I'm saying? And we could even do like cooler things where we could take out the part of the beat right there.
Yeah, like my
this.
shit don't never stink. I say I'm not a been a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with killers. Send them niggas up my.
You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot of cool things we could do with those effects, and it's really easy just to import into any session you guys have. Alright, awesome. So that concludes our tutorial for the Pro Tools stock telephone effects expansion pack. I hope this really helps you guys out. You guys are going to be able to import this into any Pro Tools session you guys have. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to comment below or hit me up on Instagram at combat_K. I'm going to make sure I put a link in the description. And as of right now, we have the same exact telephone effects in Logic Pro stock as well as Wave Gold Bundle. So if you guys have the Waves Gold Bundle plugins, you guys could use this in either Logic or Pro Tools. It's just the way I kind of structure these presets are just a little different with the newer Wave plugins. So kind of gives it more of a refined quality feel. If you guys haven't already, please check out our presets at InfiniteRhythmPresets.com. We have the Just Clear Vocal Preset series that comes with 7 different presets and templates. That includes male to female, rap to singing, as well as crisp to warm. So no matter what type of mic you guys have, what type of system you guys are running, you guys could get those clear vocals.